Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find the x value. Solution: 6 power x by 12 equal to 48. Now 6 power x by this 12 can be written as 2 times of 6 equal to this 48 can be written as 8 times of 6. Now here we are going to multiply here 2 by 6 on both sides. So 2 by 6 times 6 power x by 2 times of 6 equal to, here right hand side, 2 by 6 times this one 8 times 6. Now this 2 cancels this. Here also this 8 cancels this. Here we have 6 power x by here 6 times 6 equal to here 2 times 8. Now here this can be rearranged as 6 power x by, this is 6 times 6 is 6 square equal to here 2 times 8 is 16. Here we are going to apply this express identity that a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. This express identity we are going to apply here. So we'll get here 6 power x minus 2 equal to 16. Now here we are going to take a log on both sides. Log 6 power x minus 2 equal to log 16. Now here we are going to apply log power formula, that is log m power n equal to n log m. This log power formula we are going to apply here, so that this x minus 2 comes before this log. So x minus 2 log 6 equal to log 16. Now here we are going to divide by log 6 on both sides. Here right hand side log 6. Now this log 6 cancels this log 6. Here we have x minus 2 equal to log 16 by log 6. Now this 16 can be written as 2 power 4. So this we are going to apply here. So x minus 2 equal to log 2 power 4 by log 6. Now here we are going to apply log power formula that we have already applied here. Log m power n equal to n log m. This log power formula we are going to apply here. So x minus 2 equal to 4 log 2 by log 6. Now this can be written as x minus 2 equal to 4 times of log 2 by log 6. Now we are going to apply this log formula, that log a by log b equal to log a base b. This log formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get here x minus 2 equal to 4 log 2 base 6. Now moving this minus 2 right hand side, so x equal to 2 plus 4 log 2 base 6. This is the x value. Now we are going to check this x with the given equation, that 6 power x by 12 equal to 48. Applying x here, so 6 power 2 plus 4 log 2 base 6 by 12 equal to 48. Now here a power m plus n equal to a power m times a power n. This express identity we are going to apply here. So 6 power 2 times 6 power 4 log 2 base 6 by 12 equal to 48. Now 6 power 2 times here 6 power, moving this 4 to the power as per the log power formula, log 2 power 4 base 6 by 12 equal to 48. Now 6 power 2 times here 6 power log 2 power 4 base 6 by 12 equal to 48. Here this 6 power 2 is 30. 6 times here 6 power log 2 power 4 is 16 base 6 by 12 equal to 48. Now we are going to apply this a power log b base a equal to b. This formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get here 36 times 16 by 12 equal to 48. Now this we are going to apply here. So this simplify this, we'll get here 3. Here 3 times of 16 equal to 48. Here 3 times of 16 is 48 equal to 48. So LH S equal to RHS. Here we have verified. Thanks for watching this video.